Hello everyone, so today is another chit chat day with me. Today I'll be sharing with you some tips to make a man love you forever. Yes, I know this is a very controversial topic because there's a saying that no matter what you do, men will always be men, they will always cheat. But I want you to shake that off your mindset, because those same men love and choose who they want to spend the rest of their lives with. So you might just consider watching this video till the end to learn some tips from personal experience, elders, and a couple of people around me. Yeah, so with that said, the first tip to make a man love you forever is to try as much as you can to be that same lady he met at the beginning. That is because after securing a relationship, most girls feel comfortable and no longer take care of themselves because they think they already own the man, and they are no longer searching, which is not supposed to be the case. Men admire and love roses, and women are like rose flowers. So if you don't water your flowers, they will not look good and beautiful. That applies same to women. You can be beautiful, but if you don't take care of yourself, you don't maintain yourself, you will not look beautiful and attractive. So that is the first mistake that most girls make, I inclusive. I've been guilty of that as well. Taking good care of yourself is very important, because if you don't look as attractive and beautiful as the man met you, he will start searching for other attractive girls. He will start searching because men love roses. So if you take good care of yourself, you will limit the chances of him cheating on you and leaving you for another girl. The second and very important tip to make a man love you forever is to empower yourself. Men love strong women. Men need support systems. Men admire women who can put food on the table with money from their own pockets. No 21st century man would like to keep a liability in his house as a wife. If you're a young girl in a relationship and wish to settle down, you want to get up, set yourself, do something. If it is school, read your books hard. If it is trade, learn it hard. 21st century men love supportive girls. So do something, empower yourself. The third and very important tip to make a man love you forever is commitment. Always be committed in your relationships. Always make your boy or man feel he is a priority. And trust me, he will love you forever. You can quote me for this. Respect your man. Be committed in your relationship, because there's a tendency of girls keeping like 3 guys to see who is really serious. And at the end of the day, those 3 men get divided attention. So if you find a man you love, stick with that man, try to make it work, put in your all in the relationship. Men, take note. So at the end of the day, even if they are dating 4 girls, you will be surprised they will choose you over the other 3 girls, even if they are very beautiful physically than you. So commitment is very important. Treat your man like a priority, respect him, and be committed to a relationship. Be committed to your relationship 100% if you want to make it work. Make the man love you forever. The last but very important tip is to give your man or boy space. Let him have his space. Don't get into his phones. Don't follow him up. Trust me, you enjoy that relationship. Because there's equally a saying that a man can cheat on you, but that doesn't mean he doesn't love you. He's just being a man. Stop following up your boy or man. Trust him. Trust me, you save yourself from a lot of stress and trouble. And equally, at the end of the day, you will not find yourself as that nagging, loud-mouthed girl who is rude and scaring men away from her. Yeah, so those are my points from personal experience. Take good care of yourself. Don't be a loud-mouth. Respect your man. Be committed in the relationship. Empower yourself. You want to look for something and start doing, because men love supportive girls or wives. And lastly, give your man or boy his space. Give him his space. Trust me, you will have a perfect relationship. So I hope somebody finds these tips today helpful. Thumbs up if you find these tips helpful. And see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.